My name is Tom, and I usually spend my Saturdays alone in the park. I like the fresh air and the sound of the birds in the trees. Today, a very unusual thing happens near the old oak tree. A girl is walking fast, and she drops a large black sketchbook. I am a proactive person, so I run to pick it up. She stops and turns around with a look of surprise. The girl has short black hair and very stylish green glasses. I wear my simple blue t-shirt and blue jeans as always. "Hello, I think this is yours," I say with a kind smile. She looks at me with her big, bright green eyes. "Oh, thank you so much," she answers with a soft voice. Her name is Elena, and she is a professional illustrator. Elena wears a bright orange sweatshirt and a cozy gray scarf. My blue eyes meet hers, and I feel a bit nervous. The sun is warm, and the park is very peaceful today. I hold the book carefully and hand it back to her. Meeting a new person is always a little bit of magic. Elena smiles, and I see that she is very friendly. We stand on the green grass under the bright morning sun. I am satisfying with the logic of this accidental meeting. My short brown hair is tidy in the light wind. Pixar-style characters look ultra-realistic in this beautiful park. Every detail of her orange sweatshirt is sharp and clear. I want to say something more, but I don't know the words. Elena looks at her book and then looks back at me. The atmosphere is very positive and full of curiosity. This is the first scene of my new social story. I am Tom, and I just met a very interesting girl. The logic of the day is changing in a good way. We are standing together in the heart of the park. Elena opens her sketchbook to check if everything is okay. I see a beautiful drawing of a small city street. "Wow, your art is absolutely amazing," I say honestly. Elena looks happy and shows me another page of her book. There are sketches of people, dogs, and old buildings. I am impressed by the high-quality lines and the details. My blue t-shirt looks simple next to her creative world. We sit down on a wooden bench near the flower garden. Elena explains that she draws every day to practice. I'm a proactive listener, and I ask about her favorite tools. She shows me a special pencil and a set of markers. Her black hair moves as she talks about her passion. My blue eyes follow the drawings on the white paper. I believe that talent is a result of a lot of work. The sunlight creates beautiful patterns on the pages. Everything looks organized and very high quality in her book. I tell her that I like taking photos of nature. Elena thinks that photography and drawing are like cousins. We find many common things to talk about very quickly. Meeting a new person helps you see the world differently. I am satisfying with our interesting conversation on the bench. The 3D Pixar style makes the colors look vibrant and deep. Elena's green glasses reflect the green leaves of the trees. We spend 20 minutes looking at her creative life. My short brown hair is warm from the afternoon sun. The second scene captures our growing interest in each other. Logic tells me that this meeting is not a mistake. I am Tom, and I'm learning about the art of a stranger. The park is full of life, and so is our talk. We are becoming friends through these beautiful sketches. I decide to show Elena some of my own work today. I take out my smartphone and open my photo gallery. There's a photo of a blue lake during the winter. Elena leans in to see the details on the small screen. "The composition is perfect, Tom," she says with a smile. I feel a lot of pride because she is a professional artist. My blue t-shirt is a constant part of my daily style. We walk towards the big fountain in the center of the park. The water is sparkling and makes a loud, happy sound. Elena holds a marker in her hand, ready to draw again. I take a photo of the water and the bright sky. We talk about the colors of the summer and the autumn. My blue eyes are bright because the day is wonderful. Elena's orange sweatshirt is easy to see in the crowd. We share a deep interest in the beauty of the city. Subsurface scattering on our skin makes us look very real. I am a proactive man who likes to share his hobbies. Meeting a new person is like opening a new book. Every story she tells is logical and very interesting. I am satisfying with the quality of our time together. The Pixar world around us is full of light and motion. People are walking their dogs and children are playing. We find a quiet spot near the water to continue. My short brown hair is a bit messy from the breeze. Elena thinks that my photos are very poetic and calm. The third scene of my day is about a shared passion. I am Tom, and I am happy to show my hobby. Friendship is a bridge between two different people. The fountain blurs into a dream of blue and white. We are moving forward in our logical conversation. The afternoon is becoming a little bit more cool. I see a small coffee cart near the park exit today. Would you like some coffee or tea, Elena? I ask. She smiles and says that a hot latte is a great idea. I am a proactive person, so I go to buy the drinks. I return with 2 paper cups and a small box of cookies. The steam rises from the cups and smells like vanilla. Elena takes her cup and says, "Thank you, Tom." We stand near the path and watch the sunset beginning. My blue t-shirt feels comfortable even in the cool air. Elena is talking animatedly about her dream to travel. She wants to draw the old streets of Paris and Rome. I believe that her dreams are big and very beautiful. My blue eyes watch her expressive and happy face. The orange sweatshirt she wears matches the evening sky. Everything looks organized and very high quality around us. We drink our coffee and enjoy the quiet moment. Meeting a new person is the best part of my weekend. I am satisfying with the warm taste of the latte. The 3D characters in our story look happy and healthy. Elena tells me about her favorite museum in the city. I promise to visit it next Sunday with my camera. My short brown hair catches the first orange light. We are a great team of 2 people who love art. The fourth scene captures a very cozy and warm mood. Logic tells me that we have a lot in common. I am Tom, and I am enjoying this coffee break. The park is getting dark, but our talk is bright. Every word helps us understand each other better. We are ready for the final part of our walk. Elena stops and takes a small piece of paper from her book. She uses her marker to draw something very quickly. I wait with curiosity and look at her busy hands. After 1 minute, she hands a paper to me. It is a small sketch of me with my vintage camera. I look at the drawing and I am absolutely touched. "This is for you, a memory of our meeting," she says. My blue eyes are full of gratitude and real joy. I am satisfying with the quality of this little portrait. I wear my blue t-shirt in the sketch, just like in reality. Elena's green glasses are on her head as she smiles. This is the best gift I received in a very long time. I'm a proactive man, so I put it in my wallet safely. Meeting a new person can change your whole mood. The Pixar world around us is soft and very cinematic. Subsurface scattering on Elena's face looks ultra-realistic. I tell her that I will keep this sketch forever. She laughs and says it is just a simple drawing. But for me, it is a symbol of a new friendship. My short brown hair is dark in the evening shadows. We are standing near the gate of the beautiful park. Every line on the paper is logical and very professional. I believe in the talent of my new friend Elena. The fifth scene of our day is a very emotional moment. I am Tom, and I have a piece of her art now, today. The park background blurs into a sea of dark green. We feel a deep connection after this long walk. Elena's orange sweatshirt is the brightest thing around. I am happy that I found her sketchbook this morning. The story of our meeting is almost finished. The sun is setting and the sky is pink and gold. We walk out of the park and reach the bus stop. The city lights are starting to glow in the distance. I have my camera and Elena has her black book. We stand together and wait for her bus to arrive. I had a wonderful day today, Tom, Elena says. I agree and say that I'm happy we met today. My blue t-shirt is a constant detail of my character. Elena waves her hand as the big bus stops near us. I have a big, kind smile on my friendly face. My blue eyes watch her get on the bus slowly. See you soon, Elena. I shout with a lot of hope. She waves from the window and the bus moves away. Meeting a new person is the start of a new chapter. I am a proactive man who plans to call her tomorrow. The logic of our meeting is beautiful and very clear. I'm satisfying with the flow of this amazing Saturday. The golden hour light makes everything look like a dream. My short brown hair is cool in the night breeze. I walk home and think about her sketches in her eyes. The 3D Pixar world of the city is full of possibilities. Everything looks organized and very high quality in my mind. I believe that Elena and I will meet many times again. The sixth scene captures the peaceful and happy finale. I am Tom, and I have a new friend in this big city. The sunset blurs into a dark and starry night sky. Every person you meet can be a special part of your life. I am satisfying with my proactive decision to help her. My story ends here, but our friendship just begins. A typical day can become a very special memory.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.